How's it going, everybody? I've been doing a lot of research on finding rock lights. I've seen the KC Cyclones. I've seen a whole bunch of different brands of lights, and online, you know, the price, you know, that's the big piece for me. So, anyways, I ended up finding these Procomp rock lights for the Jeep. So, long story short, I'm gonna be installing these Procomps. I do want to say for $92 after taxes, I can't complain. It's saying 800 lumens. I saw the RGB ones, but I was like, I'm not trying to do red, green, blue, because the output for the light was garbage for all of the brands, the KC ones, the Procomps, anything RGB. It's not for you're not gonna get much light out of it because it's swapping colors and all that other crap. But these are only white, and apparently it's telling me it's water resistant. Oh, here's the specs. 800 lumens. That was a big piece, but we'll see after it's all installed how it looks at nighttime. So this is what comes in the box: the lights, wiring. Looks like a lot of wiring, so it should be fine. It came with this switch as well, but I'm not gonna wire it to the switch. I'm gonna wire it to the bed light to see if I can keep the interior as clean as possible and go from there. But stay tuned. I'll see how all the hiccups, all the problems, everything that I encounter along the way. So yeah. All right, so I told you guys into those lights, so I had to come inside to figure out which one of these buttons turns on and off that light. So sure enough, the light is off. You come right here and you push this button, boom, bed light turns on. And you can see on the dash, boop boop, with the press of the button. So this is where I'm gonna be wiring those lights, likely through the fuse box, but I'll let y'all, you guys will see soon enough. I hope I don't destroy my Jeep. So yeah, here we go. All right, so to make this work, got the cables, the light, and I'm gonna cut them into this right here. These are the bed lights right there. It's right above the brake light harness that controls the bed lights. There's a red and a black, and I'm gonna use these splicers to make it happen. I'm gonna clean it up later, but getting it in for now. Y'all aren't gonna believe my frustrations with this stuff. I'm sorry, but I have a GoPro headlight. It's very dark under here, so a few times in life being short pays off. Look at this. So I tried crimping, didn't work. These cables are too thin. So in an attempt to try and save this and make it look all nice and fancy, I'm done. I'm cutting this off here, cutting that off right back there. Gonna clip all those cables together with these bad boys. Got this handy dandy little electrical box from AutoZone. I'll make it work. I'm sure there's 100,000 different ways to make this better, more professional. I don't care no more. I'm done. But look, it's tucked in beautifully. So yeah, I'll hit y'all up and let y'all know. All right. Oh shit, hold up. Oh. Oh, blooper. How do you turn? How the fuck? Okay, got it off. So here we go. It's right now. I don't care. Oh, y'all can't even really see it. Either way, check it out. Oh, hold up. Oh, damn, that's bright. Woo. So I love it. It looks good. It looks good. All right. Well, 3 left. They should go smoother. Man. So I've learned a lot of lessons, and I'm gonna give you all the cliff notes of it, but here we go. From there, you unlock it, it turns on with the bed lights, like I told y'all earlier. I tried to save these harnesses, but it was a nightmare, so I just cut it off and spliced the cables in. Easiest way to do this, oh geez, is to cut or to undo those 3 bolts for the fender liner. 1, 2, 3, and just pull the fender liner down. It'll bend into the corner. It bends and it pops right back in place. Don't try to remove the fender liner. It's a bitch to get it back on. I wired the center axle up right there. That was very hard to get the light there, but you get some zip ties and you can make anything happen. Wired it over, avoiding the exhaust system. But so far it's just the rear. The front we'll wait for tomorrow. It took way too long trying to save the cable. Save yourself the headache. Don't try and use the factory connectors. Don't try to splice it in. Just cut the cables, you know, make it happen. So that's all for today, y'all. All right, a few things I'm gonna notice. I changed clothes because it's been a few days. I got the next mounting location for the side skirts and how I wired it in. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So here we have it. It's bolted in pretty good. Wired it through right there. I know it was raggedy, I don't care. Right around, you can barely see it. It goes through the hole right above the chassis, through the drain plug to inside right here through the drain plug. I don't know if y'all noticed, but it's capped back. It's got a little slit on the side for it. I don't have the Mopar rug thing, so I mean, I don't know, I don't care. And here's where the cable is. It's gonna be wired all the way through to the other side. Next one that I have mounted is right here. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. All right, so this one looks raggedy, but you know, again, I don't care. Gets the job done. It's zip tied for a secondary. Use the bolt here from the heater, radiator fluid. I call it fucking heater, my bad, y'all. So it's wired through. It follows along this cable. Zip tied it. Through here, I'm gonna get it inside to the same point, and then the goal of it all is to connect it here to the bed light. Oh, wrong one. To the bed light, that button, so it all turns on together when I unlock the car. That's the goal. This is an invaluable tool. Can't explain it enough. If you don't know what it is, you probably don't need to be using one, but invaluable. So I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes, and yeah. All right, so every time you add extension to the cable, you want to make sure that it still works. That you didn't mess nothing up. So I do regret going with the red cable to make sure it was positive. That I have a whole bunch of black and wiring it through the chassis. Hold up. There we go. Wiring it through the chassis. You can kind of see it if you really look. Maybe because it's me, I notice it, but others won't. But anyways, the whole goal is this. The button right here turns on the lights. So since I extended the cable,
you know, with some weatherproof, you know, boom, boom, boom. I have to go check to make sure that I still got current running through the cable. I grounded it. Oh, there we go. Again, I'm not a master mechanic or nothing. I just kind of know my way around the car. So here's a positive terminal. I'm gonna poke it. Lights fire up. We're good. The extension worked. So I'm gonna continue running it through the chassis. Hold on, let me see if there we go. See what I meant about the red? I should have went black. But I'm gonna keep wiring it all the way to the back to get to those bad boys. Should look good. We'll see how it goes. Alright, it's finally over. So, nighttime shot. Y'all see how I just opened the door? Hold on, let me do that again. So, open the door, they turn on. Close the door, they turn off. Now, the best part about this, right here, because it's on auto, boom. There we go. Boom. And again, with the bed light. Just so y'all can see. And there you have it. And the brand. Just one more time. They didn't pay me for this, but they should. One day. Sponsors. Procomp. They're rock something lights. But if you want to wire it just like I did, I'm sure there's easier ways to do it. But wiring it, see, all through, just finding little crevices all the way through to the back, through here, and then the wiring harness. It's in the earlier video I made. It's right there, and it's dark, but you can't see. So, yeah, I'm ready to go to bed. And again, that button turns it on. And since they're LED, you really don't have to worry too much about fuses. They barely pull any power, but yeah. Appreciate y'all watching this video. Made a lot of stupid mistakes. A lot of stupid mistakes. But good luck if you try to do it, you know. Yeah, see y'all later. And for y'all to see in the view or in the car view, there's a button again as you're rolling. It's pretty cool looking cogwheels. So yeah, there you have it.